Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my vlogging channel. So guys, today in this particular video, we are actually going to discuss how to handle criticism at work. Now this is a very important video for everyone guys. Everybody is working some or the other way, and I've seen so many people who handle criticism in an amazing way, and there are some people who really do not handle it, you know. So I'll be discussing in detail about criticism, and how you can actually handle it, how you can handle it efficiently, because understand, if you're able to handle criticism in a positive way, you'll be able to grow a lot. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, and over here I've not read any book, and I'm actually trying to tell you some of the steps over there, but instead whatever thing that I have personally faced, based on that, how did I overcome criticism both in a positive way and in a negative way, how did I do it, I'll just tell you that specific thing. So let's understand what criticism is. Criticism may be anything guys. Suppose if you do a correct work, and probably some of the person did not like your work and they try to criticize you, and sometimes you do some mistakes, right, with respect to any kind of work that you do, and that time suddenly some people will criticize you in a negative way, right? So how do you handle this? Okay, let's understand. Okay, the first and the best way to handle a criticism is that you try to process that criticism. Okay, now when I say processing that criticism, what does this thing mean? Suppose I'm doing some specific work, and suddenly I do some kind of mistakes unknowingly, not knowingly, but I've done some kind of mistake unknowingly. Now when I've done that unknowingly, and suddenly someone says that, hey, you have done this kind of work, what is this, you don't know how to work and all, right? Now here it is up to me, how will I process that criticism? Okay, now after that I come to know that, okay, I've done this specific mistake. Okay, I'll think within myself whether it is a genuine mistake or not. I'll think over it. Okay, so I'll think whether it is a genuine mistake, and yes, if it is a genuine mistake, accept it. Okay, accept it guys, trust me, you'll feel a lot better, and you'll be able to improve yourself. Okay, suppose if you have done some mistake, genuine mistake, let it be with respect to God, unknowingly, you try to just focus on that, and you say that, okay, whether you have done that specific mistake. Then if the answer is yes, and the voice should be coming from inside your heart, right? Yes, I've done that specific mistake. And the person who is criticizing, you can just say that, yes, apologies, I have done this particular mistake, probably from next time I'll take care of it. Now the person, probably he may be criticizing you in a positive way or a negative way, will always have a positive feeling for you. Yes, because you are accepting a mistake, right? You are definitely accepting a mistake, right? Here you are accepting a mistake, you're saying that I have done a genuine mistake, from next time I'll not do it. Now the person who is criticizing you, whether he is criticizing in a positive or negative, will always have a positive feeling. Why I'm repeating this guys, trust me, this is how you will learn. Okay, now if the person, whether you have done a correct work also, but still the person is criticizing that you could have done in a better way, probably he's just taking out some more things on you, then how do you handle those kind of people? The answer is guys, simply ignore. Okay, you control your reaction, don't react to that specific thing. If you react, the person will tell more about you. So control your reaction, this is a very important point. Okay, control your reaction, do not try to react on that particular situation. You know you have done it right. Again, inner feeling, you know you have done it right. Yes, the way that he's saying, it may be in a positive or negative way, you will be able to understand that, right? So this is the right time to control your reaction and not showcase in front of him. If you try to showcase, next time he'll try to repeat the same thing. If you don't try to show any reaction, he'll not do anything. After some time, he'll only skip it. It is no use of telling him like that, right? This is the second most important point. The third point that I really want to talk about criticism is that do not try to take it personally. Okay, like, oh, I've done this. It happens. Mistakes happens with everyone, right? Criticism is good for growth also, guys. If you have done something wrong, and if someone criticizes you in a positive way, you should actually work on that. and that way you'll be able to improve yourself. Okay, that is how I have grown. I had so many amazing managers who used to always motivate me in a positive way, and there were some managers also who used to motivate me in a negative way, and I used to ignore them, because again, I will not take it personally. I'm telling you, I'm working for someone, I'll just work it. If someone is actually praising me in a positive way, if someone is criticizing me in a positive way, yes, you should improve in this, you should improve in that, then I'll definitely take it. Right? For the other people, I'll just stop reacting. I'll ignore them, in short. Right? And guys, whenever you make a mistake, this is the next point that I really want to talk about, is that whenever you make a mistake, please apologize. It is not a problem. Say sorry. Probably I'll not do this particular mistake. I've done this mistake because of this. From next time I'll not do it. Say sorry, guys. This will finish off everything. You'll not become small when you apologize, right? You'll never become small. Instead you'll be having a big heart, right? So this is the most important time. Okay, do not unnecessarily waste your time, guys. Every minute whenever you're working, you should always think about your growth, how you're growing. And in this particular growth, stop that jealousy thing. If you have made a mistake, just say sorry, move on. Do not keep the past always in your mind. Do not keep the bad things that have happened in your mind, in your life, right? Just forget it. Yes, go ahead. Next. Yes, you should always think of next. And the last and the final point that I want to tell you is that show appreciation, guys. Okay, whenever someone is doing amazing work, tell them, wow, that's an amazing work. You have done such an amazing work. That will bring your leadership skills, right? That will bring your leadership skills. The person will be happy. He'll be having a good feeling. Tomorrow, if you make a mistake also, they'll just say, okay, it's fine. No one will criticize you very badly in a negative way, right? Show appreciation. Try to appreciate others. Try to appreciate the work that has been done by others, right? In an amazing way. Now, these are some of the points I really wanted to discuss regarding criticism at work. I have actually followed this particular approach, guys, and it has always helped me. It will also definitely help you, right? So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you one and all. Bye-bye.